Jumla was a part of Khasa Kingdom during the 11th to 13th century. After 13th century, Khasa Kingdom collapsed and divided into Bays Rajya 22 principalities in the Karnali Bari region, and the Kingdom of Jumla was one of them. Jumla is a remote district in the Karnali zone of mid-western Nepal. Jumla is usually the starting point for treks Torara Lakhim Mugu and Chi Phoksundo Lakhim Dolpa district. Unknown to many, Jumla is another corner of heaven on earth. Travelers will surely be amazed by the picturesque landscapes, rich wildlife, and fascinating people and culture. Jumla is a district about 830 kilometers from Kathmandu. Its headquarters, Jumla Kalanga, lies in a high-altitude valley 2480 m. From the town center, the surrounding mountains form a scenic backdrop. You can climb the surrounding hills to enjoy panoramic views of interlocking hills and mountains. After a walk of 6–8 hours on the eastern side of Jumla Kalanga, you will reach another beautiful valley called Gothakor. The vast, lush meadows, grazing cattle and horses, meandering river and gushing streams, and the coniferous forests on the nearby mountains will make you feel like you are in a film set. Another interesting thing about Jumla is that the culture and traditions are preserved very well. Sinja Valley, a western belt of Jumla, is the origin of the Khas language, from which Nepali originates. So if you want to experience cultural immersion in Nepal, this is definitely one of the best plaque. During winter, snow makes the town look utterly mesmerizing. However, it is usually not advisable to trek during this time. June to October is the best time to visit Jumla, due to its ambient weather and greenery. Jumla is also popular for its produce. From July to August, it becomes a paradise of orchards, teeming with varieties of apples. Moreover, according to some sources, Jumla is the highest place that cultivates rice. You can reach Jumla by plane, bus, or jeep. An overland trip from Kathmandu to Jumla, though long at 30+ hours, is a must for adventure seekers. Beautiful and fascinating scenery surround Jumla. As you wander through the streets of Jumla, you may obtain a clear view of Ent, Kanjaroa, see cultivable areas, and see greenery. You may witness the beautiful scenery of landscapes after walking for around 10–15 minutes. Agriculture is the mainstay of Jumla's economy, with crops like barley, buckwheat, and potatoes being cultivated. Animal husbandry and trade also contribute to the local economy. Jumla faces challenges in education due to its remote location. However, efforts are being made to improve access to education for the local population. The district's industries are primarily focused on agro-processing, handicrafts, and traditional herbal medicine. Jumla is one of the districts in high mountain region of Nepal from where the medicinal and aromatic plants, their parts and products are exported annually. A study was carried out from March to June 2014 to document the plant resources used in ethno-veterinary practice by local people. Jumla is a gateway to famous mountains like Mount Kailash and Mount Kanjaroba. Jumla is a junction for tourists to want to explore Karnali region and Dalpo. Jumla village is hidden in the Sisan Himalaya foothills and is one of the least developed and inaccessible areas of the country. Foreign aid workers initially visited the Jumla region, and people came to supply relief to the locals. But with the popularity of trekking trails to Dolpo and Karnali region, Jumla is now flooded with trekkers and wanderers. Jumla, which opens the gates to Rara National Park with outstanding Rara Lake, has become one of the popular destinations of Western Nepal. Photographers, vloggers, and trekkers have made the region alluring through their experiences and pictures. Bahun, Chetri, and Gurung being the major ethnic groups of Jumla, Nepali and Gurung are mainly spoken language. The best time to travel Jumla is between October to December and April to February. The trails are muddy and risky during monsoon, so it is better to avoid during the rainy season. You can find a local bus or also take flight from Kathmandu to Jumla Airport. Rara National Park is the largest national park in Nepal and one of the most beautiful destinations in Jumla. The park is home to the stunning Rara Lake, which is the biggest lake in Nepal. The crystal clear waters of the lake reflect the surrounding snow-capped mountains, creating a mesmerizing vibe. The park is also home to various species of flora and fauna, including the Himalayan black bear, musk deer, and snow leopard. Skiing in Rara National Park is an excellent opportunity to experience natural beauty of Nepal, while also getting a glimpse of the local culture. In conclusion, Jumla is a hidden gem in Nepal that offers a unique and authentic experience of the country's natural beauty and rich cultural heritage.
Thank you for your valuable time.